Hello, my people. I greet you now. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever, whatever time on that day, I greet you now. Now, a person they talk so MC Eberman, aka the Ulewe Master, from New Planet TV. For this place, would they talk any story, whether good or bad? And so would they talk to the public? Would they talk and give the public so that people go wise? People they send story from my email, whatever they happen, they go on for the society all over the world. Anything we see, we go talk them. So waiting I want advice. Now I advise women, make una shine on her eyes like torch. You know, say torch, if you put new battery for torch, if you honor, you will shine. Shine your eyes, women. For those who get children, now they talk to now. Because at the rate where people take the longer throat where people don't get for money now, not be smarting. Both men, women, boys, girls, everybody they desperate now for money. So if you be woman, you get children, I beg protect your pikin. Anywhere you they go, carry and follow body. Carry and follow body. If you they go toilet safe, carry and follow body. Anywhere you they go, hold and kokoroko. You understand? Because the way people today ritually, the rate of ritual, money ritual now, it increase every day. One woman who carry her neighbor pikin, our own neighbor pikin, not be say whether na for distance, her neighbor pikin. She carry the, because the woman not there, she carry the pikin, she go look and see the woman. When she do face like juju when they refuse to serve. She carry her pikin and her neighbor pikin. You go hide and put her for inside sack. You won't go to can do money ritual. She hide that pikin for about 2 to 4 days. The pikin not hit. She after the 4th day now she won't carry and go give the babalawo. When they do the juju and then people for cash the woman. For God so kind, so God is a faithful God, miraculous God. The baby not died, the baby still there alive. See the woman. See the way you do face like shit when rain beats. Do face with a rumple face like juju when they refuse to serve. You know, say get the way say if they serve juju, if you don't abandon the juju, if you not get serve again, the juju go the war. Now they say naturally juju not define. So when you abandon the juju go the vessel, not the server. That's what this woman face be so. Do face like a abandoned juju. Woman like you carry a pikin, you won't go take and do money. For money, you won't can do money. The same pain when you take bone, when you take push out your pikin, and so that woman say take pain, push out her pikin. You won't look for money, you know if you walk, your hand not cut, your leg not cut. Now your neighbor pikin, now she carry, put inside sack for 4 solid days. And the 4th day, they carry and they go do money, and then they for catch her. Do face like fire when they bring smoke. Can you imagine? They say argument be they very wicked. Even woman naturally, I don't talk of my video before. Woman is supposed to get that pity. How can you carry your neighbor pikin? You won't go to can't do money. Then you call arrive, you call park, come out for the compound, maybe go build your own house or they drive car. And meanwhile you don't put that person in pain. And they always they talk. If you want to gain, do not put your neighbor in pain in order for you to gain. If you must cry, if you must laugh, do not make your neighbor cry because you want to laugh. Do not bring your neighbor down because you want to climb up. See her face. It do face like juju when they are abandoned. Wickedness, the heart of man is desperately wicked. Wicked. So I beg women, I beg, because men don't get time. So when man go work, he will leave the children for the woman. So I beg, guide your pikin. If possible, put her for inside smambe. Anywhere you they go, carry your pikin follow body. If they go kitchen, carry and follow body. If you won't go bath, carry and follow body. If they go toilet, carry and follow body. I beg you. Even though you they go dream, carry and enter dream. Not gonna go there. I'm telling you, my people, because the world are they very wicked. Look at a young woman, a young lady like this, carry her neighbor pikin for one could do money ritual. To tell her, say this world, it don't finish. It don't finish. So ladies, I beg, make una dey wise. Make una wise. Shine your eyes. I take up beg una. Make una wise. Pikin not easy to born. Many people they look for pikin they never see. Even those who born pikin, I don't talk about before. Women not they if woman dey labor room, she not dey smile when she dey give birth. Now with pain, they say they bring pikin come this life. So it's not easy. So what woman go come for nowhere, who carry your pikin to do money? Shine your eyes very well. I think God beg una. The young boys, they don't trust them again. They don't trust man. They don't trust nobody to even trust. You don't even know who to trust again. Because the evil for this life not too much. Atrocity, the love of money, it drive many people crazy. Oh my God. How can human be? You take your next door neighbor picking, you won't go carry and take the money. If not be God won't stand for that small picking, the picking for die for 4 solid days. She hides the picking. Oh, hey, way. I don't understand this life. This life don't finish. Shekri say, Ajagota, Ota, Akborieri, don't finish. So I beg, make una shine on our eyes. Now, what you see me, I can't talk this evening. As a sender from last make I read this news, I will talk about this thing. Look, though it happened before, but as we talk them every day, people will get sense. I beg. So as you don't hear this story now, share this video for people to be wise. Share this video, share them, make people wise. We they learn every day. I beg. Okay, I am MC Ebaman, aka the Welewe Master. Like my page on Facebook, give the world the truth, and subscribe to MC Ebaman, comedian. Okay, do stay out of trouble till I come your way again. Any news will come again, we will talk on. Any story in the app for town, whether home and abroad, we will talk on. Now, so if you think God go put the enemy to shame, all right. See our face, two face like Juju when they refuse to serve. Very ugly woman, ugly, dirty, wicked something. No sense.